But you'll hear me even over the crunching of that food, your fat ass. Oh, you called her fat? And that just cracked your spine, didn't it? I might be fat, but you sitting over there looking like you deteriorating. Wow. Why would you say that girl? Wow. Now you know that girl got a bone disease. Why would you? That's just horrible, babe. Why would you say that? I ain't know that. That's because you're inconsiderate and all you do is care about yourself. You don't care for nobody else's feelings. But I see right through you and that lace front with your bald-headed ass. Bald? That's what I said. But I know you... Not bald head. I know you didn't. Because I seen your hair up under them wigs too, boo. At least I still got my edges. Babe, now why would you say that you know that girl got cancer? That's not cool at all. Now how I'm supposed to know that? You know what? You are just as ugly on the inside as you are on the outside. You look just like an ogre. Not an ogre. You might not be listening. Outside, you look just like an ogre. Not an ogre. You know who else look like an ogre? Who? Your mama. My mama. Your mama look like a... Why would you say that and that girl mama is dead? That is messed up. You know, at this point, fuck you and her. Because you sitting here letting this bitch go in on me and it's cracking your spine. But as soon as I respond back to her, it's hurting her soul. Fuck you and this corpse. Oh my God. Half dead ass.